over the last few years, what were 2-3 aha moments, realizations that really changed the way you look at life or the way you look at business?
First, I'll start. I've always cared about workplace wellness. This was something that in college, I was reading a lot about stress, and I was a psychology major, and I was like, well, stress, is obviously a bad thing. Like, how can we fix that? And then I started getting into the research around companies and organizations and people at work and stress. And that kind of led me down that path. So I've always been kind of interested in workplace wellness and stress in general. But a few years ago, I went on a trip to Iceland with my husband. And I don't know if you've been to Iceland, but it is spectacular. It's so beautiful. And the air is so clean and crisp, and everything just feels very pristine and also calm. I don't know. It was gorgeous, gorgeous. Loved every minute I spent there. We did the whole country, Ring Road. And while I was there, it really solidified the fact that I need to practice what I preach. There was a moment where I was like, I don't take time to revel in the beauty of where I live the way I am right now on vacation in Iceland. And I felt like a different person in a way that I hadn't in a long time. I felt more calm and more at peace in a way that, years of work and difficult organizations, etc., kind of derailed that. And in that moment when we were on a boat off of Husavik, whale watching, when I was just like, the air smells different, and I'm like paying attention to little details of things that I hadn't before. And it just kind of made me think that, okay, I keep talking about workplace wellness, and yet I work a lot and I care about the message, of the book. And I'm putting a lot of energy into the things that I want to get out into the world, but I need to make sure I take the time to smell the air, breathe the air, see the beauty every day, not just when I go on vacation.